Dollar rate today in Ghana. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the current dollar rate today, right now in Ghana. So if you want to know it, when you go to Google, just type USD to GHS and then hit enter. So when it comes and then you look at the chart, so currently the dollar rate is at $1 is equivalent to 12 cedis and then 10 pesos. As you can see, on the 14th of November, $1 was equivalent to 14 cedis and then 60 pesos. And then on the 21st of November, $1 was equivalent to 14 cedis and then 65 pesos. And then it also went stable and then it shoot again. And then on the 28th of November, the cedi was 14 cedis and then 75 pesos, was equivalent to $1. And then on the 29th of November, $1 was equivalent to 14 cedis and then 50 pesos. And that was when the cedi became strong and then the dollar was falling and then the cedi was rising. So as you can see, so on the 30th of November, the cedi was at 14 cedis and then 50 pesos, which was equivalent to $1. And then boom, it came to 14 cedis 20 pesos, and then it came down to 14 cedis, and then it came down to 14 as well, and then it dropped to 13 cedis to $1. And then right now the cedi was 12 cedis 98 pesos, which is equivalent to $1. And then something interesting is happening here. You see, so on the 12th of December, the cedi is at 12 cedis 39 pesos, which is equivalent to $1. And then currently today, as I'm recording this video, which is the 14th of December, the cedi is at 12 cedis and then 10 pesos currently. If you want to know the dollar rate today, all that you have to do is to just put the amount of dollars that you want to know. Let's say $100. So it will show you the equivalent of Ghana cedis. You see, so $100 is currently at 1,000 Ghana cedis, 210 in $50. You can just put it $50 and then it will show you the equivalent in Ghana cedis. So $50 is equivalent to 605 Ghana cedis. So if you want to know the dollar rate, you just type in the amount of dollars that you want. So $1 is currently equivalent to 12 Ghana cedis and then 10 pesos. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly like it for other people to also have a look at it. Then see you in my next video.